Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your chances in Junglee Rummy. Mastering the game begins with a solid understanding of its rules and scoring system. Your first and most important goal should always be to form a pure sequence, which is absolutely crucial for a valid declaration. Pay close attention to the cards your opponents discard. This provides valuable clues about their hand and helps you plan your moves effectively throughout the game. Smart card management is key to success. Try to discard high-value cards such as aces, kings, queens, and jacks early if they aren't part of a sequence or set. This minimizes your penalty points if an opponent declares. Middle cards offer more flexibility for forming sequences and sets, so hold on to them. Be cautious when picking from the open deck. It reveals your intentions. Reading your opponents is a powerful skill. Pay close attention to the cards they pick from both the closed and open decks, and analyze their discards. This can give you insights into what sets or sequences they are trying to form. Sometimes, a well-timed bluff, like discarding a card that seems useful to you, can mislead your opponents and buy you valuable time. Consistent practice is essential for honing your rummy skills. The more you play, the better you become at recognizing patterns and making quick decisions. Maintaining a calm and focused mindset is also crucial. Avoid impulsive moves. After each game, take a moment to analyze your performance, learning from both your successes and your mistakes to continuously refine your strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.